Good morning. I am here to prepare vegetable salad for elderly. So I have lettuce, long slice, and then I have also avocado for wedge size, slice. I have also egg. I fried egg with using a boiled water, so that's why like this, so make it healthy, still healthy. So I have a pepino, slicing, and then with just also the tomato, and I have also a lemon, and then I have a cube cut. So for a lemon, I have already a lemon here, so I just only put that there to show that I have a lemon, and then I have also a cubes of onion. Then I shredded that later. I have also a white cheese with I think it's also kind olive oil, so I can use also for dressing later that. And also I used salad sauce shot Caesar. Then also I have a salad cilantro, and then I use also a black pepper. So now I started to mix this all vegetables. And then the cucumber, also the tomato, that's also the white onion, and then later the avocado, and the egg later. So now I put lemon, no wait, this is powder first, this cilantro. You just put a little bit to make it a bit taste of our salad, vegetable salad, and also Caesar. To make it also additional taste of our salad. But this is also, I think it's very good also to make it, to put this together with the vegetable salad. So a little bit salty and a bit chewy. And then I can use also the oil of this to make it juicy. Like this. And then I have a lemon here. So I put a lemon, and I take the lemon only. And now I mix. I need to mix it well. I think it's already cream. So now I put this in. Now it's enough. So I put this here for preparing to our para sa atong guna. So ako ni siyang tanggali. Pasensya na kay ang amot ng avocado pag sa kainit ang ano na. So amo itulo ako itlog. Yes. Returning siya. So ako itlog. Okay. And then I almost forgot the garlic. I make this like this to make it. Garlic also is very what's that, kanang ayos din siya kanang healthy para sa matanda ko, at saka it's so very good smell also because I don't have powder garlic, so I use a fresh garlic. So now it's time to prepare this. Okay. This is it. To make it our salad pretty, so I put the tomato upside up, not up, and also the cheese. Yes. Where are you guys? So my tomato is ready. So now it's done. I think it's done. It's all done. This is my this is vegetable salad for elder. Thank you. I almost forgot the black pepper. Black pepper also is good for vegetables to make it yummy. Wala man magawas. And also good smell. Okay, that's it. Thank you.